Assalamu alaikum. Could you imagine the moment when the non-believers listened to the Quran? Their hearts got terrified and they had a deep realization that those were not the words of any human being, but the creator of the world, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Before accepting Islam, one night, Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu decided to secretly listen to what Prophet Muhammad was reciting by the Kaaba. It was Surah Al-Haqqah that he was reciting. Mesmerized Umar with the beautiful words of Quran, he thought in his mind that Muhammad must be a poet. Just at that moment, Prophet Muhammad recited the words, "This is the word of an honorable messenger. It is not the word of a poet." Umar was surprised by that rebuttal to his secret ideation. He said to himself, "Then he must be a soothsayer to know what I was thinking." Thereupon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the words, "Nor is it the word of a soothsayer. Little it is that you reflect. It is a revelation from the Lord and sustainer of the worlds." It struck him so hard that it was then when Islam first entered deep into his heart. The Quran is full of powerful knowledge. Let's pick up some pearls from it. Quran Quiz Episode 9. Question number 1. Which prophet could understand the language of ants? A. Dawood alayhi salam, B. Sulaiman alayhi salam, C. Isa alayhi salam, and D. Musa alayhi salam. Correct answer is B. Sulaiman alayhi salam. Question number 2. How many times does this ayah repeat in Surah Rahman? Then which of your Lord's favors will you, humans and jinn, both deny? A. 15, B. 23, C. 27, D. 31 times. The correct answer is 31 times. Question number 3. Who is known as the walking Quran? A. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, B. Jibreel alayhi salam, C. Musa alayhi salam, D. Israel alayhi salam. Correct answer is A. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's going to get harder now. Question number 4. Why has Karnan been mentioned with this name? A. He traveled different places. B. His crown had 2 horns. C. Because he was a mighty king. D. Because he made a steel wall. The correct answer is B. His crown had 2 horns. Please subscribe and share this video. Spread the Quranic knowledge. Help us make more Islamic content.
يا مبدع الأكوان يا ربي يا رحمن.
Question number 5. Which nation was Hud alayhi salam sent to as a messenger? A. Ashab-ul-Qarya, B. Ad, C. Ashab-ul-Aika, D. Madian.
ربي يا رحمن يا مبدع
The correct answer is Qawm Aad.
ربي يا رحمن يا
Question number 6. As in Surah Yasin, how many messengers were sent to the town of Antakya, the Qarya? A. 3 messengers. B. 4 messengers. C. 2 messengers. D. 5 messengers.
يا ربي يا رحمن يا مبدع الأكوان يا ربي يا رحمن
The correct answer is A. 3 messengers.
إليك قلبا يذوب حبا بالنور
Now it's time to gear up. The harder part comes up. Can you survive that?
بالنور والإيمان
Question number 7.
بالنور والإيمان
He merges the 2 bodies of fresh and salt water, yet between them is a barrier. They never cross. These ayahs are from which surah? A. Surah Yasin. B. Surah Mulk. C. Surah Kahf. D. Surah Rahman.
وتعزف الألحان وإذ بروحي تسمو جروحي وتعزف الألحان
The correct answer is Surah Rahman.
يا ربي يا رحمن
Question number 8. Which prophet told Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that he invited his people day and night, openly, sometimes publicly, and even privately, but they persisted to deny Islam? A. Nuh alayhi salam. B. Musa alayhi salam. C. Isa alayhi salam. D. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
وطرت في الأجواء أبغي ذرى السماء وطرت في الأجواء
The correct answer is Nuh alayhi salam.
وصار عمري
Question number 9. Where did Yusuf alayhi salam spend most of his life as a slave? A. At Pharaoh's palace. B. At Yaqub alayhi salam's house. C. At Aziz Misr's house. D. At Egypt king's palace.
مبدع الأكوان يا ربي يا رحمن يا مبدع الأكوان إليك قلبي
The correct answer is C. At Aziz Misr's house.
إليك
Now the challenge question.
بالنور والإيمان
Answer this question in comments. We will post answers soon. What was the name of the person whom Musa alayhi salam wished to meet to see how much knowledge did he have?
يا رائع السيما كسرت طوقي
We hope you enjoyed this quiz. We will come with more interesting questions next time.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر